Okay, guys and gals, about 10 seconds of the obligatory disclaimer. If you want to read the whole thing, just pause the video. All right, everybody, let's take a look at the feeder and live cattle futures. We'll start with the feeder cattle futures for the January 2022 contracts. Today ended 165 and an eighth, which is Friday. Yep, that's that candlestick right there. And two decent days here, but overall, it's been down for at least what, 2 weeks here going on, and that's trying to roll over. It might be a small sign of prices going up, but let's see. Divergence warnings, maybe those are false flags. Yeah, they look like they're false flags. Okay, so we'll see what happens here. Maybe we've hit a bottom, temporary bottom. Let's look. What is the? Let me look to see where these cycles are. Hold on one moment. Okay. So 1219 is supposed to be an approximate low for cattle, for the feeder cattle. So be aware of that. We'll see if this price continues to bounce hard, because this is kind of nice that it didn't come down and touch this. So there's still some strength here. We'll just see how strong that's going to be in the coming days. Okay. Let me go look at the monthly. Yeah, this is still strong too. Monthly looks good. Green candlestick there for December. Barely, but it's green. That's a good sign. Let's look at the weekly. Small green candlestick for the week, so pretty decent gap here. Nice amplitude there. The distance from the 50-week moving average, which is very aggressive. Okay, forget these cycles. These are only daily cycles. And I think one of them's maybe hourly. Okay. Mixed signal on the weekly. These are pointing down. That one's trying to go down. This one's trying to go up. Okay. But overall, there's strength in the weekly chart. That's pretty nice right there. Okay. Let's look at the hourly here. What am I looking at here? Are these hourly cycles? Yes. These are hourly cycles. Okay. That wasn't much of a low right there, was it? Okay. So the next hourly cycle low would be about 7 a.m. on December 13th, which I think is Monday. So just before they open, because cattle opens at 8 a.m. So, that's interesting. We'll have to see what happens Monday morning. Do prices decline below this 50-hour? Because the way these sessions are, because they're only 6 hours, can get a bit tricky. Okay. So I think I went through this before a few days ago. 1, 2, 3.5 sessions make up a full cycle. Okay, so that would put us at, let me just see, where was this? Yeah, so 3.5 sessions. That's Friday. Okay, oh, that's interesting. Because the low was a few hours before that. So Monday, let's see, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, probably like Tuesday, late Tuesday, maybe Wednesday would be the cycle low for the hourly. Okay, so keep that in mind. Somewhere right around there. It's hard to figure out these sessions because they're cattle trades only 6-hour sessions, so it's kind of where most futures products trade nearly 23 hours a day, so it's a little bit tricky figuring out there. So 1213 is not accurate there, maybe. Yeah, kind of hard to say where this is going to line up, but I think it's going to be sometime Wednesday. Could be a cycle low on the hourly, so prices may come down like that going into early mid part of next week. Okay, all right, let's look at the live cattle. Let's go over to the daily. Okay, I mean, today was a green candlestick, but overall the last 2 weeks of trading have been down. And it looks like live cattle are a little bit weaker than feeder cattle. far as the way the trending is. And this is rolling over. This is still pointing down. Big Daddy's trying to go up, but I wouldn't count on it just yet. Though that's that may be the start of an uptrend, just maybe. But it's gonna have to prove it because this looks weak. This all still looks kind of weak here. Okay. Daily cycle 1212. Okay. So that would be Monday. Expected daily cycle. So this is actually pretty accurate, guys. Look at this timing. Down into that cycle. Isn't that amazing? I mean, it's just amazing. Cycle low is right on the button, guys. It's right on time. Within a day or two. You really can't ask for better. The cycles really are very accurate. It's scary. So for those that want to know the next cycle low on the daily chart, that's way out February 20th. Okay. For the next big cycle low. All right. Let's take a look at the monthly. Very strong. Oh my goodness. Strong. Little divergence warning going on here. But this month's just gotten started, so we have to wait to see if that means anything. So far, this looks strong on the monthly. Continues to look strong. Let's look at that weekly chart. That's a different story. The weekly chart, guys, what is that? Okay, this week is officially over, and we do have a divergence warning. So I talked about this all week long, that this divergent warning was there. And when Friday came along, if it was still going to be there, that was going to be a big deal. It is a big deal. It suggests further price erosion for the live cattle in the coming weeks. So keep that in mind. Okay, let's finish this up looking at the hourly. So this session, let's see, the last, the last 4 sessions have all been below the 50 hours. So even though today was basically just a flat day. It just goes to show you, look at these indicators trying to tell us price is going up, but it did no such thing, just absolutely flat. Okay, so for now, that's a sign of weakness on the very short term of the next session or two. Okay, it could try to break above this 50 hour. You would think by these indicators it would have already done it, but it did no such thing, it just tracked sideways. So for the moment, it still looks weak. All right, guys and gals, that's it for the for the feeder and live cattle futures for today and for this week. Consider taking the premium membership for $5.99. It's a really good deal. Okay, I cover crude, I cover gold, I cover natural gas, I cover wheat, I cover oats. Okay. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to click that little bell to be notified of all the videos that come out. Everybody have a great weekend. Talk to you all real soon again next time.